In this video, we will learn about what is the equivalent of Hasonevalue function. In the last video, we have seen how Hasonevalue works, and today we will write the equivalent measure for the Hasonevalue. So let's write one measure here. I count of student, and we will choose one function here, count rows, and we need to provide one table, and the table will be one column, values, and the name is student name. So if I drag and drop, this is the, so it is returning me the count of students are 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. And now let's write equivalent measure regarding Hasonevalue function. Hasonevalue equivalent, so it will be, we need to write one condition here. If the logical test, we will use the same as we have written one measure, that is count of students. Count of students is equal to 1, then it should return us true, otherwise it will return false. That's it. And now just drag and drop one card here, and has one filter, equivalent measure. So here you can see, if I click student 1, so it is returning me one row, and both Hasonevalue equivalent and Hasonevalue both are returning me true. If I click location 2 or the location 3, in location 3 we are getting 2 rows, so both are returning me the false value. The objective of this video is, if we don't want to use Hasonevalue, then what is the equivalent of a Hasonevalue function? We can count the number of rows in the provided column, and then we can add one condition here. If the count of students is equal to 1, then it's true, otherwise it is false. So this is how Hasonevalue and the Hasonevalue equivalent works.